Maritozzi, fat husbands. Yes, that can happen. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Maritozzi Romani, football-shaped brioche-style buns filled with fresh whipped cream. Maritozzi Con La Panna are everywhere in Rome, often enjoyed in the local coffee shop for breakfast with an espresso. You may think the name comes from husbands, mariti, having too many of those. Although some say the name comes from the romantic tradition of hiding the engagement ring inside it. Well, who knows? Although they are irresistible. If you are not in Rome and want to make them at home, these are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Selecting the right flour is very important for this recipe. You'll need strong flour like Manitoba. Strong flour is often preferred for making sweet dough because of its higher gluten content compared to all-purpose flour. The strong gluten structure allows the dough to trap and hold air bubbles during fermentation, resulting in a light and airy texture. Let's start by making the dough. Mix all the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, yeast, and lemon and orange zest. Add the egg and mix with the dough hook. Start at a low speed and gradually increase to medium speed. Once the ingredients are combined, gradually pour in the milk in a steady stream. Knead the dough until it is smooth. Gradually add in the butter and continue to knead until it's fully incorporated. The dough will be soft and smooth. Brush the bowl and the dough with butter so it doesn't stick to the sides. Let it rest for 2 hours in a warm place. Once your dough has risen and doubled inside, divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Roll each portion into an oval shape. Place the shaped dough pieces onto a lined baking sheet on a baking tray, leaving about 2 inches of space between them. Brush the tops of the buns with egg wash to give them a shiny golden appearance. Let them rise for 30 to 45 minutes until slightly puffy. While they rise, we can prepare the filling. Chill a mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Pour the heavy cream, sugar and vanilla extract into a chilled bowl. Beat the mixture at high speed until it forms stiff peaks. Refrigerate until you're ready to fill the buns. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, and bake the Maritozzi for 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Allow the buns to cool for at least 30 minutes. Use a serrated knife to make a lengthwise slit on the side of each bun, cutting about halfway down but keeping the bun intact. Fill a piping bag with the chilled whipped cream, push it towards the nozzle and tighten the end. You can fill in the Maritozzi first with some fresh strawberries. Then pipe the cream into the split of each bun. Serve your delicious Maritozzi and the delightful combination of soft, sweet bun and creamy filling. Optionally, dust the filled Maritozzi with powdered sugar for an additional touch of sweetness. This summer, instead of whipped cream, you can fill them with your homemade gelato. For more desserts and whipped cream recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe! What about a wife who eats a lot of those? Moyazza Bonanza?